Good Friday afternoon, Ohio State. Meteorologist Tyler Seabree here with your Buckeye TV weather update for what has been a very chilly Friday out there with mainly cloudy skies. As we're looking downtown, you can see all those clouds out there. A few peaks of sun have been popping out today behind those flurries that we had this morning, but it hasn't warmed up much. We're at 16 now with a west wind of 7, making it feel like 6 out there. So bundle up if you're going to be out and about this evening into tonight, and those temperatures are just going to continue to fall tonight into Saturday morning. And that's the first weather headline, a frigid night tonight. But it could be the last one for a while, which is some good news considering where we've been over the past few weeks in central Ohio with temperatures well below 0 on several occasions. Then we're going to see a series of storms. Storm number 1 Saturday night into Sunday night. That one's going to be more wintry in nature. We could see 2 to 3 inches of snow in Columbus with a little more as you go north of I-70. But as you go south of I-70, it looks like they're going to see a mix between rain, sleet, snow, and freezing rain. It's going to be a complicated storm to nail down for sure. System number 2 is going to move in Tuesday and Wednesday. That one's looking entirely like rain with a warm surge of air, so we'll see temperatures well above normal, or considering where we have been, well above where we have been, as that rainfall looks to be heavy as well. It could lead to potential flooding issues as we head into next week. Current radar across the region are quiet everywhere. All those flurries and clouds are continuing to push off towards the east, and we'll get in on some clearing skies for the rest of the evening into tonight. And what that's going to do is allow those temperatures that are currently in the teens to fall much colder than that. I'll have more on where I think we're going later in the forecast. That cold front shows up very well on the current temperature map. 34 in Richmond, 45 in Charlotte. Behind it, 16 in Indy, 14 Chicago, 11 Minneapolis. Wind chill map, temperatures are even colder than what they actually are. 15 in Charleston, 0 in Pittsburgh, 6 Detroit, -3 in Chicago, -5 in Minneapolis. That's the Arctic air, the true Arctic air that's going to plummet or push its way into central Ohio tonight as we look to dive well below 0 for our low temperature tonight. I want to show you what this system that's going to arrive Saturday night into Sunday is going to do across Ohio. We're going to have a quiet day on Saturday, 1 p.m., nothing to speak of. Let's progress a little bit forward. 1 a.m. Sunday, so late Saturday night. Some snow showers are starting to push into Columbus, and they're going to continue overspreading the entire Buckeye State from west to east. And as we go into early Sunday afternoon, we're seeing a swath of snow across central Ohio. Columbus is in on that snow, but just a little south of Columbus, you can see a mix and some rain in the forecast. So that's why this forecast is going to be very tricky. And then later on Sunday, we're looking at that line between the rain and the snow right through Columbus, riding Interstate 70. So it's going to be a tricky forecast without a doubt, but our current snow forecast model is suggesting 3 to 4 inches here in the blue in Columbus, 5 and 6 inches possible north of Columbus. So again, I think it's going to be a difficult forecast, but for right now, I think 2 to 4 inches in Columbus is a good bet. Well, obviously, we will fine-tune that forecast between now and then. Where are we heading for the rest of today? 17 at 4, 11 at 7, 4 at 10, -1 right after midnight tonight, and we're ultimately going to fall to -6. So it's going to be a very frigid night out there as those skies continue to clear and allow that radiational cooling to let those temperatures bottom out tonight. We'll warm up to 25 tomorrow under partly sunny skies, so it's not looking like too bad of a day out there. And then let's take a look at our extended forecast. There's the mess on Sunday with a mix, rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain possible across the region, 36 degrees. A dry day Monday, 33. Tuesday and Wednesday, there's that surge of warmer air. We'll see highs in the 40s, but it looks like moderate to heavy rainfall possible both days, which could lead to some flooding issues with the snow on the ground right now, the warmer temperatures, and the heavy rainfall. That's your Buckeye TV weather update. Make it a great weekend and stay warm.